Hello students, today I am going to teach you about the solubility in unit 2nd of 12th class, that is solutions, and this is lecture 3rd. Now let's talk about solubility. First, what is solubility? First we should know about the solubility. Solubility is the maximum amount of solute that can be dissolved in a solvent at specific temperature. So first we will talk about the solubility of solids in liquids. Solids in liquids. Solubility of solids in liquids. And solubility of solids in liquids depends upon the following factors. The first is nature of the solute and nature of the solvent. Then it depends upon the temperature, and it also depends upon the pressure. We see that in later on. Now first, nature of solute and solvent. It follows the principle like, dissolves like. इसका क्या मतलब है कि एक जैसे सॉल्यूट्स एक जैसे सॉल्वेंट्स में डिसॉल्व होते हैं, या हम कह सकते हैं कि पोलर सॉल्यूट्स dissolve in polar solvents. For example, NaCl, that is a polar solute, is dissolved in water, which is a polar solvent. And if we talk about non-polar solute like anthracene or naphthalene, these two gets dissolved in benzene. So from these examples it is clear that nature of solute and solvent depends upon the principle, that is like dissolves like, and polar solutes dissolve in polar solvents, like we have seen that NaCl gets dissolved in water, and for non-polar solutes like anthracene and naphthalene, they get dissolved in non-polar solvent like benzene, and they don't dissolve in water. Now the second factor is temperature. Temperature follows Le-Chatelier's principle. Le-Chatelier principle says that for a change in temperature at dynamic equilibrium, for example, if dissolution is endothermic, अगर जो सल्यूट डिजॉल्व हो रहा है सॉल्वेंट में, तो अगर वो डिसोल्यूशन का प्रोसेस जो है वो एंडोथर्मिक है, endothermic means heat is being absorbed. Heat is being absorbed. And यहां पे हम कह सकते हैं with the increase in temperature, solubility of solute increases. With the increase in temperature, solubility of solute increases and reaction moves in forward direction. The reaction moves in forward direction. But in case the dissolution process is exothermic, which means that heat is released in this case. So what happens here, with the increase in temperature, solubility of solute decreases and reaction moves in backward direction. Here one term is left, that is pressure, and about pressure we can say in this particular case, that is solubility of solids in liquids has no significance. So for pressure, such sort of solubility, there is no significance. So that's all for solubility of solids in liquid. We will proceed on in our next topic, that is solubility of gases in liquids.